Hello everyone and welcome back. This is Catherine. I'm behind the camera. I'm never in front of the camera, but that's okay. I like it that way. But this is a recipe I learned a couple months ago. It's originally like just the kielbasa sausage, potatoes, onions, and bell pepper with black pepper, garlic powder, olive oil, and lemon juice. Which I just took and added some chicken just to add a little bit more meat to it. But what you want to do is your sausage, you can either leave it like big around and cut it into wheels, or cut it in half and get half. Your potatoes, you'll want to quarter them and then just slice them, which I like them a little bit thinner, so I just cut mine a little thinner. Your onion, you'll want I think it's 2 large. I had to find my book. But you'll want 1 medium green bell pepper, 1 medium sweet red pepper, 1 medium sweet yellow pepper, 1 package of the kielbasa. You want it sliced, which I took and sliced mine in half and then sliced it. 2 large potatoes cut into wedges, but I took and just cut it down further because you didn't want like giant pieces of potatoes. I wanted small potatoes. 1 medium onion chopped, which 4 teaspoons of lemon juice, 4 teaspoons of olive oil, a half teaspoon of garlic powder, and a half teaspoon of pepper, just regular black table pepper. And what it'll do is once you put all the stuff in here, it'll make 4 little packages or 5 little packages, depending on how much you want to put in the little packet. But you can either throw it on the grill or throw it in the oven, which I'm fixing to throw it in the oven. And you'll just take and cook it until the potatoes are done. I mean, the chicken is small enough, it'll get done way before the potatoes. But I'm telling you, this is like, I think the 3rd or 4th time I made this, and oh man, it is delicious. You should try it. But I'm fixing to throw this in the oven, and when it gets finished, about 30-35 minutes, I will come back and I'll show you the end. So stick around, find out. Alright, so here it is. It is finished. Let me grab I was fixing to call this a spoon. It's a fork. And potatoes are done. The chicken is done. Everything is done. Now all you got to do is just put it on a plate and enjoy. But it's a little juicy. The chicken is not going to be dry. I got to taste this one. Oh yeah. Delicious. But if you make it, I hope you enjoy it. If you like the video, hit the like button, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe, do all that good stuff, and I'm going to get out of here because I think this one's going to be mine to eat. So I will see y'all on the next one. Bye.